Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Tour One headphones with your MacBook. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port. And next we have to locate this sliding button. It's actually on the right headphone. There it is. And first of all, we have to move it like that. And right now this indicator will turns on. And right now, just pull this button one more time to this Bluetooth icon. And right now, this icon, this indicator, starts blinking quickly. So it means that we put our JBL headphones to the pairing mode, put them close to your MacBook, and then move to the system settings. Right now, go to the Bluetooth and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Take a look for the nearby devices and just wait until your JBL Tour One pops on the list. Next you have to click on this connect button. Okay, and right now just open the sound settings in the end and be sure that our device, the output and the input is set up for our JBL Tour One. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.